So hello, this is Group 12. Welcome to our 3-minute executive briefing on Google strategy. So today we'll be addressing a central issue in the strategic tensions facing Google. So Google's dominance has been historically built on search department. However, the rise of Gen AI is obviously fundamentally changing how users access information. So instead of searching, users are turning to AI and asking it directly the questions that they want to. Um, this is reducing opportunities for ad exposure, which creates a core problem. How does Google integrate AI into search without cannibalizing its own highly profitable advertising model? So the challenge is obviously not technological because Google is quite advanced in that level, but it's definitely strategic. So how can it preserve its monetization while adapting to a new user behavior?
So there are three primary strategic paths Google can take. First of all is defensive optimization. It allows Google to preserve the current search model while incrementally layering AI features. This minimizes revenue disruption but risks losing relevance if competitors redefine user expectations. Second option is a full AI pivot. It can allow Google to transition aggressively toward AI-first experiences, even at the expense of short-term advertising revenue. This positions Google as a leader in the new paradigm, but introduces significant monetization risk. Third option is hybrid integration. It will allow Google to embed AI directly within search results, enhancing the user experience while maintaining the core advertising infrastructure. This approach balances innovation with revenue continuity but requires careful execution to avoid degrading either experience. We recommend option 3, which is hybrid integration. Google should evolve search into an AI enhanced interface where generative responses coexist with monetizable search elements rather than replacing it entirely. This allows Google to retain its core revenue engine, gradually shift user behavior, and maintain competitive parity with AI native platforms. Crucially, it avoids forcing a binary trade off between innovation and profitability.
This recommendation is grounded in three key arguments. First, economic durability. Search advertising remains one of the highest margin businesses globally. A full pivot would prematurely disrupt our proven revenue model. Second, behavioral transition. User habits evolve gradually. A hybrid model meets users where they are, while subtly guiding them toward AI native interactions. Third, strategic defensibility. Google's advantage lies in its ecosystem, data, scale, and advertiser network. Integrating AI into search leverages these strengths rather than abandoning them. In conclusion, the winning strategy is not to replace search, but to redefine it from a list of links into an intelligent, monetizable answer engine. Thank you.